and it's been a while since, well, since you've seen this going on here. It's been a hot minute. I did upload a couple of videos already that were for Ipsy. I'm doing like a year of Ipsy that I had not filmed and I was saving because, like, you know, situations and whatnot. Inku Crate used to be a Japanese stationery subscription from Japan Crate. They discontinued it like 2 years ago. This is either July or August. I'm not sure. I have not opened it yet. See, it's not open. So I feel like it would be an opportune time to open it on camera. I am currently trying to use a casting app from my Samsung to Windows called Link to Windows. The version that's actually on Windows itself, which I have Windows 11, is called Phone Link. So we are going to open this up and get started. You may also notice that the lighting in here is a little different. Some of the stuff has been moved around because I am in a new room. And yeah, why am I opening this? I never did. I left it sit, and now I'm like, I need content, and I wanted to make a video. Okay, I'm going to do this a little upside down because the lighting is coming from the opposite way, and it's so pretty. Okay, so what's in your crate? They do, I think Japan Crate is still around. I am not 100% sure. That wasn't English. Okay, so I don't think there's a card that's telling me anything that's in this right now. Let's see here. Is this our washi tape? Let's see if there's a trick I learned. You heard that clicking. My computer's right near me. All right, let's see here. We got a washi tape here. Oh. I'm not any better at opening packages any more than I was before. I had a whole year. I had a whole... Oh my God. All right, so it's a very small tape. But it probably has like a lot around it. Is this facing the right way? I believe so. Even with it zoomed in, I think this is like, is it beavers? That's cute. There's a penguin. Maybe animals at the zoo. It's adorable, isn't it? I don't know. Oh, I actually watched this show. I finally watched it. If you watch one of my other videos, I'd gotten a sticker from Spy Family, had no clue. Oh, okay. That's not a beaver. that's the girl in Spy Family. Oh my God. I actually watched that show and I enjoyed it. It was great. Put that off to the side. Let's find out what our next item is. Ribbon? Some more so little tabs, am I seeing? Whoa. Oh, can you... Oh, you can put them on your washi tape. Just set it on. I tore it. You set it on top of the washi tape and you pull it out. You pull the tape out of here and you can use it to cut your washi tape. I don't have any of these. I've actually been wanting some so that I don't have to go and get my scissors out. I can just, like, you know, this is cool. Nice. Uh-oh, I can't get it back off. All right, we're just going to keep that on there. Now, they're just all different colors. Yeah, they're just different colors and have different things here. I bet you they have different, like, the different things inside here. So that way you can have different cuts from inside, maybe? I mean, Oh, that wasn't even on the camera. No, that one looks like a little camera. Maybe not. Maybe this isn't the... No, that feels sharp there. Multi-use. Sorry about my chair. It's a little squeaky here. Most likely I was right though. But we do have all of the Japanese directions on the back here. Okay, set that off to the side. Somehow I ended up with less room on my desk and I actually had gotten rid of some stuff. All right. That tour. I'm too excited because like this has been sitting and I wanted to... What are you? Are they zip ties or something? Are they strips of... They look like just strips of paper. This is nice cardstock that this is on. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's why. Oh, I was never good at making these. Maybe I can try again. You can make little paper stars with the strips. You can actually supposedly do it without having official origami or anything like that. Any sort of like paper or cardstock. I'll try it again, but I don't think I'm going to do any better than I did before. And that was before I lost my eyesight. Oh, a little pouch. Little twin stars? Yes, little twin stars. Oh my god, so cute. Now there's probably a foam inside. That's why that looks like that. Yes, there is. Packed it with some foam so that it looked nice. And so that you could see properly. I love these little pouches. You end up having to peel this off and then you can use it. It's not a pencil case because it's not big enough for that, but you can put like erasers and stuff in this. Very fortuitous considering the fact that school is coming soon that I got this. There are other stationery crates out there, by the way. I think Zenpop is still around. But with stickers. Oh, it's Kuromi! It's Hello Kitty. Kuromi is my absolute favorite. Kuromi cinnamon roll. Hello Kitty right there. My Melody. Oh, these are such cute stickers. Oh, fabulous. Do you only get like, do you get one or two? I think only one. Oh, they're clear. Yeah, you get one. You get one. Ooh, don't let the sticky stuff catch onto it. All right, yeah, you get one, which is so cool. Because look at all those stickers you got. I thought at first that like a lot of it was background. It's not. Those are like little stickers here and there. I love that. Okay. We got a few items left. Oh, as if I don't have 20,000 bottles of glue. So we got a new bottle of glue here, which looks like, what is that? Milk? Oh, is it a milk bottle? Oh, yeah, it's a milk bottle. We all know how glue works. Basically, what you do is there's probably an inner seal. English. There's an inner seal that you have to take off, and you put the top back on, and then you rub it against the surface of your paper, and then ta-da, you have a piece of paper that's sticky with glue. Cute. One of the last ones I'd gotten last year that had to do with milk was a washi tape. That was bottle caps. Very cute. Those are like the Sumiko Garashi characters. Okay. Wait, does it have a smell? It probably doesn't. Oop, that tag just went flying off into the sunset. Oh, it does. It has a smell. I don't know what it is, but it's fruity. All right. All right. Here is this here. Lollipop? But I don't think this is a lollipop. I feel like this may be I feel like this may be an eraser. Oh, there are a whole bunch of little ones. Whoops. They don't, that one doesn't seem to have a smell. I can't tell what that is because the lighting. They're definitely not gummies. Just to let you know, they're definitely not gummies. They are, oh my God, that just went flying. I'm doing real good. I'm doing real good. I'll probably flash on the screen here, like editing version of me is all like, oh, that's what they are? Nope, they just have kind of, not a rubber smell. These are definitely erasers. They definitely feel like erasers. They don't have like a rubber smell to them. They smell like something strange. All right, and the last one in here feels like a pencil. And I couldn't tell you with any sort of certainty at the moment what this little guy is. The pencil is might be a colored pencil because they didn't give like a card with it and it's old. I'm not going to be able to tell you what I think it is, but that is so cute. Usually they gave more than one writing utensil, but being that this was like right at the end of the whole thing, they probably put in what they could. Yeah. So, what do we think? These are the items that we got today. I'm really happy and excited about a bunch of them. I put all the erasers out here because of the fact that like I didn't have these items before, and I've been kind of jonesing for some Japanese stuff. Again, I was sitting there looking at some of the other boxes, and I was like, oh hey, I have a box that I haven't unboxed yet. Did I say box like 30,000 times? Well, anyway, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below on which one of these was your favorite. Sadly, again, this box is no longer, but down in the description, I will have some links to other ones that are still around if you'd like. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.